Welcome the our channel. Today we how to set up the Eero 6 Plus mesh system. Beginner guide step. Begin by unpacking your Eero 6 Plus mesh system. Inside the box, you will find the Eero units, an Ethernet cable, and a power adapter for each unit. Next, locate your modem. Unplug your modem from the power source for a moment. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the modem. Connect the other end to the Eero unit that will serve as your main hub. Now, plug the power adapter into the Eero unit and connect it to a power outlet. Wait for the LED indicator on the Eero unit to pulse white, indicating that it's in setup mode. Download the Eero app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account if you don't have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the setup process. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code on your Eero unit. Once scanned, the app will guide you in connecting the Eero to your modem. After establishing your connection, name your Wi-Fi network and set a password. The app will check for updates and prompt you to install them if available. Once updates are complete, the primary Eero unit should show a solid white light. Now, to add additional Eero units, place them in areas where you need better coverage. Make sure each unit is within range of the main Eero hub for optimal performance. Power on each additional Eero unit and wait for the white LED to pulse. Open the Eero app and select the option to add a new Eero unit. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code on each additional unit. Once added, the app will check the connection quality of each unit. If the units are successfully added, Eero will indicate their status with solid white lights. You are now ready to enjoy increased Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. For best results, maintain a clear line of sight and avoid physical obstructions between the Eero units. Regularly check the Eero app for firmware updates and network performance. Your Eero 6 Plus mesh system is fully set up and operational. Enjoy your enhanced internet experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.